In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about the best Discord servers for Roblox developers. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out in the Roblox community, finding the right Discord server can make a world of difference. It's where you can share your projects, collaborate with others, and learn new skills. So, let's dive in and explore these fantastic online communities. First up, let me introduce you to a vibrant server that has gained significant popularity among Roblox developers. This server is an incredible place not only for networking but also for accessing resources you might not find elsewhere. What makes this server special is its dedicated channels for different aspects of game development. Whether you need help with scripting, designing, or even marketing your Roblox game, you're covered. The members are actively engaged and happy to help with advice or feedback on your projects. Another server worth mentioning is one that's focused heavily on learning and development. If you're someone who thrives in an educational environment, this is the place for you. It hosts a variety of workshops and tutorials ranging from beginner-level introductions to more advanced topics. You can participate in coding challenges or showcase your recent projects for constructive criticism. This server fosters a culture of peer learning, and you'll find that the community is eager to help each other grow and succeed. Let's not forget about the server that's a hub for collaboration on projects. If you're looking to collaborate on game development, perhaps because you have a great idea but need someone skilled in animation or sound design, this server connects you with talented individuals who can bring your vision to life. You'll find dedicated channels where you can pitch your project idea and connect with others who share your enthusiasm for creating something amazing on Roblox. Of course, there are servers with a more casual vibe, perfect for discussing the broader aspects of Roblox and gaming culture. These servers often feature general discussion channels where you can unwind, engage in casual chats, and discuss the latest trends and updates in the Roblox community. They can be great places to make friends and network with other developers, providing a more relaxed environment to grow your network. Lastly, there's a server I recommend for keeping up with the latest updates from Roblox developers themselves. This is where you'll get first-hand information about platform updates, bug fixes, and new features. Engaging in these conversations keeps you informed and gives you a chance to discuss the implications of new updates with your fellow developers. So, there you have it. These servers offer a range of benefits, from educational resources and collaborative opportunities to casual networking and up-to-date information from the Roblox platform. Whether you're in it for learning, collaboration, or simply staying connected with the community, these servers are invaluable resources for any Roblox developer. I hope this video helps you find the right Discord community to support you on your game development journey.